ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು.
ಅವನು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನ, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
I know what you're thinking. Why should I learn Kannada? Right? Well, let me tell you something. I'm not actually from Karnataka, but I've learned Kannada and I'm going to share exactly how I did it and why it's totally worth it. So stay with me till the end, because by the end you'll be ready to speak Kannada like a pro. Let's start with, why does everyone want you to learn Kannada? It's not about forcing you. It's because of three super simple reasons. First is saving Kannada. Kannada is a really old language and it's super important to the Kannadigas. But in big cities like Bangalore, you will notice more people speaking Hindi, English or any other language, because there are so many people from other parts of India and natives are so worried that Kannada might fade away if we don't keep using it. Another reason would be easy communication. Kannada is everywhere in Karnataka and knowing just a few words will make it easier to talk to auto drivers, shopkeepers or even just for asking the directions. It's all about making the life easier for you. Next reason would be respect and connection. For Kannadigas, Kannada is more than just a language. It's their culture, their identity, and when you speak it even a little bit, it shows you care about them. It's an instant way to connect. So when you hear next time learn Kannada, it's really about respect, connections and keeping the language alive for the future. Now let's get to the good stuff. How to learn Kannada easily. Tip 1. Start with basic words you'll use every day. Trust me, you will use this a lot. Uta, which means food. Neeru, water. Banni, come. Pogu, go. Now, let's make it real. Try these sentences. Uta aita. Neeru beku. Bartini. See? Simple, right? Practice these every day. Soon you will sound like a local. Tip 2. Watch Kannada movies. I know, movies are fun anyway. But guess what? You will learn a bunch of cool words while enjoying the show. Start movies like Kirpati, Rajakumara. They are easy to follow and you will pick up phrases like Chennagide, Hengidira. Watch with subtitles first, then try without. You won't even realize how much you have learned. Plus, Kannada movies are awesome. Make Kannada speaking friends. Seriously, this is one of the best way to learn. Tell them, hey, I'm trying to learn Kannada. They'll happy to help you and it's a great way to practice. Even if you make mistake, don't worry. They'll love that you are trying and they'll help you get better. Here is a cheat sheet for some of the super useful Kannada phrases. Take a screenshot and you will want this. Learning Kannada does not have to be hard. It's actually fun and super easy. Start small, practice every day and soon enough you will be chatting with best of them. Remember, Kannada is not just a language. It's a way to connect with people and the rich culture of Karnataka. Now, let's spice it up. I'll speak some Kannada sentence. Try to decode in your native language and let me know in the comments. Do not cheat by googling, try to find it yourself. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರೋ ಜಾಗ ಯಾವುದಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So share it with your friend who want to learn Kannada. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.